So let's do more on border, since we've already been discussing border. That's the reason I want us to do on border, because border has a lot of other things. Like we have solid, we only talk about the solid line. What about the dotted line? What about the double line, the line space and double space, and the rest of them? So let's actually add more border and then use it for this training. Okay, so let's add more buses. I've added bus 3, and I remember I told you in the other class you should work bus 3 on your own and see if you've gotten the same result. In case you didn't, well, I did it now, and I'll also show you very simple how this thing is done. So for the bus 3, all you need is just to copy bus 2 and then paste it on bus 3. Okay, that's all. You don't need to do much work. That's why I say you can do it on your own. So without much ado, let's go and add more divs. Okay, let's copy and paste so that our work will be easy to see. For copy, paste, let's paste one more, paste. So let's say this is bus 2, bus 3, bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, bus 4, and bus 5. This should be bus 4. This one should be bus 5. So let's now add up something. Okay, here we have solid line border, here we have double line border, here we have dotted border. Just hold on, NEPA have taken their line, give me a few minutes. So let's continue our work. So for this, we've already given it double line border, so we give this dotted border, and here we made this one to be single line border, and lastly we have single dotted border, okay. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. Okay, so you can put that line or no need of putting line. Okay, you don't need to put line. If you check what we did now, you have yours. The first one should be solid. If your work will make use of solid, then the dash, we are yet to make use of dash, then the dotted, we are yet to make use of dotted. Okay, you have dotted, you have double, and you have dotted solid, dotted thin, and double solid, and double thin. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our CSS to explain all of this. So go to box 4 and box 5, they remain now. Dot box 4 dot box 4. As usual, you copy everything here so I won't waste time, but we're going to change the border size so it will be capture the thin, dotted, and all those stuff. So Ctrl C, come over here, do our Ctrl V, change this to 4. So I made that mistake we made before now. Change it to 4. So for the border, where is the border? Go on to the border and become 20 pixels dotted. Okay, dotted, 20 pixels dotted, and you go to number 5. Or should we check our work? Okay, let's check our work and see if what we did actually applied. Now if you apply, all well and good, but you just have to apply. So let's right click, open with lightsaber. Let's scroll to it. Of course, see it dotted, see it dotted, see it dotted, okay, dotted. So you can actually use dot dot dot, see the tick dot, dotted line. So let's go to the other one. Let's go to the next one. So we'll talk about dash border, talk about dotted border, talk about double border, and double solid, okay. So, number 5. Let's still copy it as well without wasting more time. Ctrl V and you name it 5. It's number 5, box number 5. Come to your border, and this should be dash. Dash, okay. So for the double solid, for the thin solid or double dash, thin dash, or double dotted, thin dotted, it's all about the pieces, okay. Make the pieces like 10, 15 to be double solid. If the piece like one piece to be single, to be smaller, to be thin. Okay, so if that was single, but don't use single, just use thin, solid, double, okay, and stuff like that. So let's save our work and see what we're talking about. So come over here, right click, click on live server. Let's check it out. The 51. Of course, this is it. So you see the dash. So these are all the borders property. But we still have so many border properties that you can think of. Okay. But let me just click on border so I can see all the properties of border. If you come down here, let's go to style.css and bring our mouse down and then click on border. You check, you have border radius, your board sizing is also there. Like border radius will help you to turn those shape to either a circle or turn it to different things. But don't worry about that because we're going to meet it later on. So I don't want us to rush where I'm going to meet it in the future. But for now, just know these are the borders we did, and we still have so many other border radius that we can, or border that we can work with. Okay. Like when it comes to border, let's remove the border radius because we're not going to do border radius now. Later in the course, we're going to meet up with border radius. When it comes to border, if you check here, see he has a lot. The color that you gave him and all stuff like that. Okay, so you have your solid, you have your thin, you have your dotted, you have your dash, you have your dotted. I also say that your thin and solid depend on the sizes. Okay, make it bigger, it becomes solid. To make it smaller, it becomes thin. So hopefully I believe you understand that, and that brings the class to an end on border. I'm going to meet it later on as the class progresses. Okay, thank you and see you in our next class.